Hi guys, and welcome to my first unboxing of 2026. So hopefully, I think it's probably going to air sometime early February. I did do a Japan haul, so I did buy a lot of things in like the end of December, early January. But this year, as I said in my 2026 no buy list, I'm really trying to be a little bit more careful of what I buy and a little bit more mindful. So definitely since I came back from Japan for the last 2 to 3 weeks, I've been trying not to get anything. I found that looking at my Stylebook app and looking at all the bags that I do have and kind of looking at the stats of the worst cost per wear or least used has helped me rein in some of the impulses to buy something. But I did see this pop up on Brandier, which is my favorite Japanese reseller on eBay. I'll have them linked below. And I did try this bag on in Osaka. So if you see my Japan haul part 1, you will see I tried on this bag. I didn't buy it there because I knew I was going to be able to find it cheaper on Brandier. I just had to wait. And then it did pop up and I just snapped it right away. Without further ado, let's go for it. Let's through the rat bag. Ooh. Ooh, interesting. Okay. I have to just double check. There is a couple stains here, but anyways, without further ado, this is the Yao bag, named after Michelle Yao. I think this is named after her, but it is a vintage bag. So this one is in the gold color and it is in buffalo leather. So there is a little bit of staining here, which I am going to try to get out with saddle soap. So I may do a cleaning video. If you guys are interested, let me know. So there's a zipper here that opens up the bag. Does it go all the way out? It does. And the inside, it looks like it's lamb skin. Very beautiful. Same interior as the Toolbox 20. And so as you can see, there's actually 2 zippers here. So the thing about this bag is that it is supposed to come with both this larger leather pouch and usually comes with a smaller, almost pencil case sized, I think, canvas pouch where you can just zip off both sides. I might as well do a little bit here. And then you can put your alternative bag here and then, you switch out your pouches. But unfortunately, this one does not come with that. So actually I would say the bulk of these Yao bags do not come with the second pouch. I've seen it a couple times on Brandier, but then they price it quite a bit more. So I think like closer to the, I don't know, $1,000 mark, over $1,000 mark. I got this for about $670. That includes the tariff pricing. I thought that was a pretty good deal considering the one that I did try on is a black one in Osaka. It was $1,500, but you don't see them very often. And I actually don't see them too often in Buffalo. I know there's one right now on the Real, which is black in Buffalo, but again, it's I think priced at like $1,500. So I did try it on in the store at Osaka and I knew there was a very good clearance. We'll see how it stays on my shoulder once I have things in it. I think, sometimes these bags are more likely to fall off if you don't have it weighed down. I'm very excited. This is my second bag in Buffalo. My first one is the Vespa, which was actually the first bag that really kicked off my whole Hermes craze in the last 3 years. So I'm very excited to add another buffalo bag in a different color. So buffalo does tend to be a little bit heavier, but it's more durable, waterproof. And as you see, when I clean these spots back here, they will hopefully come off. It won't affect the leather at all when you use saddle soap, which can be a little bit harsh. So you don't want to use it on everything. Like I wouldn't be using it on this, which I think is either Swift or Borenia, but it's a very nice, smooth leather. I do like the kind of the contrast of the grained leather with the smooth leather. I'm not a huge fan of gold in general, but I did have a couple pieces in gold that I've sold, so I don't have too much gold anymore, so I'm okay to kind of add it to my collection. But yeah, what do you think? Of course, we'll be doing a full review on it once I've tried it out a couple times. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.